Hey guys, if you're someone that never really gets a good hip flexor or quad stretch, the bucket analogy might be something that works for you. So when we set up for a quad or hip flexor stretch as seen here, we need to think of our anatomy. Think of the pelvis as a bucket and the hip flexor runs down the front of the bucket. If we actually want to get a good stretch of that muscle, we need to think about water tipping out the back. If water is tipping out the front, meaning we've got a big arch in our lumbar spine, we're not going to get the stretch we want. So we want to tuck and posteriorly tilt the pelvis, which is like water tipping out the back of the bucket down our backside. To set up for this, we want to make sure that we're really posteriorly tilting and rolling our pelvis underneath us as seen here. What that does is going to give you a nice stretch from the front structures because you're actively tilting your pelvis in the opposite direction, which is going to give you that really nice stretch at the front. So as seen here with this quad and hip flexor stretch, I'm setting up in this position here. I'm thinking about my pelvis and I'm tucking it underneath, taking the bucket from the front and putting it at the back.